Oh Lord, I got this nasty, dirty thing in here today. I think it's filthy. I mean, whew. And it was sent with no cushioning or nothing in the box. If I'd have sent something like that, the variable and everything been tore up. Won't be going back to the customer like that. So says it doesn't have any receipts. So I don't know. Sure. What's up with that? And how dirty this thing is. This thing fixing to get it's going to get a bath. The whole thing's going to get a bath. It'll be cleaner anyway. Still got a 2x8 base to do, so I'm going to take a look at this and get on that 2x8 base. I got to get it done. Got another repair coming in. Let's see what we got. We got 428.79 Toshibas. So it doesn't appear to. Well, the relay is no longer hooked down. It should be. Although this is still hooked up. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So it's not doing the power it ought to do either. Damn it, man. I don't see any indication that it has a blown transistor, and they are all matched non-red dots. Looks like original soldering and everything. 2J, 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 hooray. Not as filthy inside as I thought it would be. A little dirty. Yeah, even the damn can't read the Toshiba 2290 driver ones. I wonder if this thing's a problem. Doesn't feel like it's got a bad spot in it or anything. I don't think that my little small supply reach it. The big supply I built, it like dims the lights in here when I turn it on for a second, like the AC does in the house. All right. Pretty cool. see if I can stretch this. Just put it sideways like this. Reach. Reach. It's a reach. He said it was only doing like 500 watts, something like that. If I got the right person. Goes on. Let's turn the dead key down. See what this puppy's doing. 14 volts. Up. Ain't got no dead key. Nothing. Ain't got no output. L. It's got output. My slug ain't in there right. Damn. I hate when I do that. L. Audio. Pulling 51 amps. Hello, audio. Either one slug is doing 220. Hello, audio. So let's do a peak. Hello, audio. Got down. He wasn't lying. It's only doing 500 watts. He was not lying. Peak right there. Bottom scale. In between the 40 and the 60s, 500. Hello, audio. Got down. Alright, so there is definitely a situation. Let's see if we got any ears. Let's put an antenna on here. I think that, yeah, the LED's working, just so dirty. Alright. Let's see here. We got 19.
I want that ram to get them 67.
Let's receive.
Oh, no, you did.
I just need to get the relay locked down, and I guess the only thing I can do to that. Yeah, it's receiving good. I guess the only thing I can do to that is silicone it down at this point. It's about the only thing that's going to hold up to that foam tape. Bend that down a little bit too, and it'll be fine. Alright, so it just needs good cleaning. We'll just we'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of this. If we can. See if the variable's working or not. Resistor don't look burn up. Appears to be all original. Of course, I'm only on 14 volts too, so but still 500 is pretty low. Let's see if the variable's still working. Hello, audio. It's not even doing 500 now. Obviously. Hello, audio. Not even doing as much as it was. Not even pulling as many amps. Obviously something's wrong right here. Hello, audio. It's only 420 watts now. Hello, audio. Yeah, resistor ain't getting hot. Alright, so it's not gonna be a total basket case. I don't know why it fell off 60-80 watts for no reason whatsoever, except me squashing this down. That's all I did. Hello, audio. It's all, oh. Ah, shit. There we go. Let's get back on a dummy load. Damn it, man. Hate when that happens. The trucker's all pissed off now. Hello, audio. Audio. Alright, so that's it. We're going to give this thing a good bath and come back in here and change a few things and check a bunch of stuff and we'll see if we can't get it back up to par or not. I definitely know that some electrolytics here would be a good thing, but I don't know if the solder to this board, it being so old. But one thing about the board, it has no green stuff on it. Now, you know, you never know about this stuff that you get. You know, you don't know how many people been in it. You don't know, just because you get something and like, and if it looks all bad or something or whatever, you don't know who's been in it. You don't know if the builder built it like that or 5 other people been in it or what. You know what I'm saying? Although some don't seem to care about that theory right there. That's all I got to say about that. But yeah, we're going to change some things in here. 2x4 should be doing a little more than that, especially Toshiba's. So it is only on 14 volts. Let me up the volts a little bit. I don't want to hurt nothing. We got 14.5. Hello, audio. I'm doing a little over 450. Still, 550. So, alright. It's bath time. Oh, I hate these big son of a guns. So So what we got here? 3, 3. I don't know about that 2290 tune. Those two Toshibas. It definitely got an attenuator going into the other one. Let's see here. Toshiba. I think it's 3 turns. Oh yeah, 2290. Nah, that's 1 turn. Here we go. Toshiba 2290. Yeah, 3 turns, or it can be 4 turns and 3 turns out. 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1/2 inch, 1 inch. Could be 43, 43 or 61, 61. Alright, cool. Output gas right. On the 2-pill section. I don't know what it is out. Like around 150 in, I believe. Let's see. 100 in, 820 out. And I don't know what that is over there. Look at it later. I know this is going to be 270 for sure. Yes, it is. And that's supposed to come out to 150, so I'll check all that and see what's up. Alright. Let me give this thing a bath and let it dry out. And then the cover, and then we'll see what's up with it. I'll start ripping stuff apart. We're going to give it a bath first. This thing is nasty. Alright, 7-3s, y'all. Y'all take care. Catch y'all later. Let me go grab that 2x8 board and do a little work to that. 7-3s, y'all. Y'all take care. Back at Amps, and I'm gone.